welcome to a new video. Today, we are going to talk about an amazing marine creature, the purple sea snail, which carries many fascinating secrets that make it one of the most impressive creatures in the oceans. We will learn about how it creates the bubbles that carry it and how it extracts the purple dye it is known for. Did you know that the purple sea snail uses air bubbles to float on the surface of the water? This snail doesn't swim, as you might think, but instead relies on bubbles it creates itself to stay afloat. These bubbles give it a unique ability to adapt to its marine environment. How does this happen? When the snail raises part of its foot to the water's surface, it absorbs air through a specialized organ called the propodium. Then, it secretes a slimy substance from its foot that coats the bubble and links it with other bubbles, creating a raft of bubbles that carries the snail above the water's surface. The mucus it secretes helps increase the buoyancy of the bubbles, protects them from rupturing, and ensures the raft remains intact. This raft not only helps it float, but also shields the snail from strong waves and gives it more space to breathe. But that's not all. The purple sea snail has a beautiful purple dye that is extracted from a special gland in its body. The dye produced by this gland is among the rarest and most expensive in the world. This purple dye is directly related to the color of its shell. It also helps strengthen the snail's shell and protects it from the harsh environmental conditions it faces while drifting in the ocean. In ancient times, the purple dye was used to color the clothes worn by kings and emperors, and this color was considered a symbol of wealth and power. The process begins when the purple sea snails are collected, then crushed to extract the transparent dye, which oxidizes and turns into the distinctive purple color when exposed to air and light. This dye was used to color luxurious fabrics and was considered one of the rarest dyes in ancient times. As for the food of this snail, it primarily feeds on a marine creature called the wind sailor, a type of small marine organism that the snail relies on for its nourishment. The snail uses the ocean currents to bring this creature to it, making its food come directly to it without needing to move much. Despite the beauty of this purple color, excessive hunting for extracting the dye has led to the extinction of some species. With the development of chemical industries, synthetic dyes became the cheaper and more available alternative, reducing the demand for the natural dye extracted from the snail. Now, here's an important point. The purple sea snail's eggs don't just settle anywhere, they are attached to the air bubbles it creates, adding an extra touch of uniqueness to this fascinating creature. The purple sea snail is not just an ordinary marine creature, but a blend of natural creativity and amazing environmental adaptation. It represents one of the greatest wonders of the oceans, highlighting the ability of marine creatures to survive in a harsh environment and adapt to the challenges of marine life. If you enjoyed this amazing journey into the world of purple sea snails, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.